Another issue which came up yesterday, Chairman, was in relation to the Magdalene Laundries. The Irish Government is aware that a number of women who spent periods in Magdalene Laundries feel they were victimised and ill-treated. I would like to stress that we have taken this issue seriously, and indeed I have personally met a deputation of women who had sad experiences to recount of their early childhood in these institutions. There is no doubt that they feel that the time they spent in the laundries had a scarring effect on their subsequent lives. The most serious allegations made by these women and the organisations representing them would, if proven, constitute criminal offences under Irish law. We have pointed this out to the groups representing these women. It has also been pointed out there is no statute of limitations applicable to criminal offences in our jurisdiction. They have been invited to make complaints to our police force, the Garda Síochána, if they are aware of details of any possible offences, so they can be fully investigated under our criminal law. However, to the best of my knowledge, to date, they have not chosen to do this. These alleged events happened in most cases a considerable time ago in privately run institutions, and therefore the information available to us all is limited. However, as far as we can establish on the facts available, the vast majority of women who went to these institutions went there voluntarily, or if they were minors, with the consent of their parents or guardians. The only situation where any women were ordered to be detained in these institutions by law applies to one such institution in Dublin, which was used as a remand centre for 16 to 21 year old women pending trial. Periods of detention averaged only a matter of days in most cases, and as a designated remand centre it was subject to inspection by the state. We have found no evidence to date of any complaint by or mistreatment of women remanded there in that particular state mandated element. The Irish Government is considering, Chairman, how we can best resolve the issues raised by the women, conscious that many of the organisations which ran these private institutions and are the subject of the allegations are still in existence, mostly orders of nuns. The Government will be making a decision on this matter in a matter of weeks, but I can't anticipate that, and that's as much as I can give today. On some legislative points now, Chairman,